How's it going, YouTube? SoCal Scratcher back here with a quick little $25 session. Got myself a California ticket, of course, and trying out this extreme multiplier and this show me. Well, let's see how we do today. California ticket, you guys know how it plays. 50 burst, 10x money bag on the front. Backside's going to be California symbol or star. And this is book one, ticket one. Let's see how we do. No win right there. Let's see on the front. Let's see if we can get a symbol. 15, 43, 7, 29, 36, 27. 8, 9, 38, 39, 37, 44. 35, 34, 30, 23, 26, and 33. Let's see. 28, 38, 8, no 28, 25, no, only 35 and 15, 42, only 44, 43, no, 21, no go, and 22, 33, 23, nope, no go on the $5 one, that's alright. Let's do the extreme multiplier next. In this game up here, you scratch right here, you can either get a 1, 2, 5x, or 10x. And then down here, get the stars for an automatic win or the extreme for the win all. Let's do the symbol hunt and see if we find stars. Oh, for you ticket guys out there, it is ticket 19. So we got 11, 37, 28, 31, 41, 39, 49, 29, 21, and 16. 7, 39, 44, and 38. 47, 46, 22, 25, and 32. No symbols. Let's see if we can match. 26, so I got a 46, 28 close, 25, 1 off. Nope. Let's try the 8. 7 and 9, no 8 in here at all. Number 12, 11, the reverse, no go. 48, 38, 28, none at all. 35, 25, nope, and last number we got 36, so 46, 16, no go. This is a bust on this ticket, so let's see if we can get the win on the show me. How this game plays, you get a light bulb up here, right here, you win that prize. Down below you get a money bag right here, a 5 or 10x in this game right here, and then it is loaded with 5x's or 10x symbols. So let's see if we get a light bulb. Oh, guys, we did get a light bulb. This is a win. So I won't scratch it. Let's see if we get any symbols. Come on. 34. So we got 26, 32, 25, 34, 33, 36, 51, 1, 35, and 2. 22, 16, 11, 47, 56. And then last row, 57, 43, 19, 52, and 41. So we do still have a win up here. Let's see if we can match any of our winning numbers to our bottom numbers, guys. 37, hope everyone likes these new tickets. Hope they're paying everyone out really good. I got these from a CVS next to my house. 37, no luck. 36 is my closest. 29, 19, no. 59, still 19 is the only thing ending in 9. J Sarge is 44, using his favorite coin. Oh, there we go, using his favorite coin. 42, 41, 43, nope. And an 8. No match down here, so just the light bulb. Let's see what we got, guys. So we got a win, 15 bucks. This was a $25 session. Got about a little over half my money back. Got a $15 win on this ticket. Let's see if I did miss anything, because I am known to do that. 37, 57, 47, no 7s. 29 or 59. Only thing ending is 19. 42, 44. Nope. And an 8. Nope, so just a $15 winner. So out of that, boom. No wins on these guys, but a nice little 15. Hope everyone's having a great night, and take it easy. SoCal out.